Hey everybody, it is Brandon Foster, the owner of Magic Land Vacations, the travel planning genies. You know we like to help families like you save stress, save hassle, and create extra magic on those Disney and Universal destination vacations and more. And today it is all about the more because we are at one of my favorite hotels in all of St. Pete Beach, Florida, the Hotel Zamora. Now, if you already subscribed to this YouTube channel, you know it is all about Disney and Universal Destination Vacations, but full warning, in the next year or so, we're going to be opening up a sister company that basically does a lot more than just Disney and Universal Destination Vacations. And part of that is exploring other places like St. Pete Beach, which is right near Tampa, Florida, where I am from. And my husband and I are celebrating 15 years together, and so we wanted to stay at Hotel Zamora. I fell in love with the pictures online, wanted to see what it was like, and I've been really happy with our stay here the last 3 nights, and I wanted to share with all of you the top 5 reasons why I would recommend staying at Hotel Zamora in St. Pete Beach. So one of the things that I really love about Hotel Zamora is just the really amazing contemporary feel of the resort in general. I just really love the furniture. I love the amazing chandeliers that they have in this place. And that goes throughout the entire resort, from their Castille Restaurant to their 360 rooftop bar and lounge, as well as the rooms themselves. Just the entire way that the hotel is decorated with contemporary decor is really fun, and one of the reasons that I love staying here. So we talked about how amazing that contemporary furniture is, so check out this video footage of a room tour that I did. I always do it right when I first check in before I take it over the space with clothes and everything else. So check out a room tour of a king suite. Come on inside, let's do a quick little room tour. Now we are staying inside the king suite at Hotel Zamora, located at St. Pete Beach. And so this is a really wonderful sitting area for your family, just to relax. Very comfortable couch over here. Of course, we have a TV. This is where you have your drawers. And you see there's a fridge in here. There's a mini fridge right over there, which is really nice. And then we have your safe, some more drawers as well, coffee machine. This is where you have your ice. And then this is the actual big old master suite. Love these chairs. These chairs are absolutely amazing. You can see we have orange embellishments over here. I like the contemporary look and the feel. Beautiful little chandelier. Pretty nice furniture over here as well. And I have to point out one other thing that we saw, which was a little bit silly, is we forget our doohickey for the light. But besides the light and the chair, I really do like this room. It's really, really nice. The wood floor is amazing. And the bathroom is really nice too. We have a really nice granite countertop in here. 1 sink as opposed to 2 sinks. We have our separate room to go number 2. And then we have a nice shower inside here as well. So that is a little room tour inside a king suite at the Hotel Zamora. I talked to Michelle, who's actually the owner, and they're actually getting ready to bring in all new furniture into this resort hotel. This actually resort hotel is really relatively new. It opened in 2014. It was originally a Kimpton resort hotel, and then it was bought by a private owner. We met the lovely owner, Michelle, and they're actually working to actually get a new carpet and all new furniture, which is amazing because we already love the resort as it is, and we know that it's going to be even more amazing once those changes take place, obviously because of COVID. right now there's huge pent-up demand for staying in here, and so one of the challenges is you have to close several of the rooms to actually put in all the new furniture and all that kind of stuff in. But we're really excited to see those changes. So I'm gonna say this is like a bonus feature, but every single room has like 2 rooms that are kind of nearby it, and so they have these really cool Spanish doors, and actually supposed to unlock. I can't get this to pull out. Supposed to unlock and push out. This one's kind of stuck, but they have these doors that are really, really cool. So that's just like one bonus feature. So another reason that we love Hotel Zamora is Cafe Castillo. Cafe Castillo is their full-service restaurant that's located on level 2 of Hotel Zamora, and it's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Very, very delicious. We ate there several times while we've been here. The staff is extremely friendly, extremely kind. As for appetizers, we had the meatball, which were really, really delicious. They were juicy, they were tender, they were like almost on this like mini pizza things with mozzarella, or not mozzarella, but like spreaded cheese and tomato sauce, really good. You guys know I'm a huge fan of the counter out in LA where they have amazing garlic parmesan fries. Cafe Castillo has their own version of that, which is super, super delicious. Garlic parmesan fries, like perfectly fried, really delicious. And then my husband and I tried some handhelds. So we had the burger, which it was an amazing burger. That's what he had. And then we both upgraded to salads since we had the fries as an appetizer. The salads were delicious. And then I had the barbecue chicken sandwich, which actually had a jalapeno aioli, which was so delicious and good. And then later on this week, we went down here and had desserts. And we had the rum cake, which was super tender, super moist, had some ice cream along with it. And then we also had the coconut cookie with ice cream and a little bit of caramel sauce. So if you are staying at Hotel Zamora, I highly recommend you come to Cafe Castillo. And even if you are not staying at the hotel, come and check out Cafe Castillo. It has an amazing views of the inner waterway of St. Pete. And then you can also order some of these snacks and appetizers and stuff on the 360 rooftop bar at Hotel Zamora as well. So super delicious. Another reason that we actually love this place. Another reason that we absolutely love Hotel Zamora is the staff. The staff is extremely, extremely friendly staff. We've been staying here for 3-4 days, and everyone's been super, super nice, from everyone at Cafe Castillo to the front desk staff to housekeeping staff. Super friendly, super knowledgeable. Huge shout out to Tasha, who helped us with the rental umbrellas and all that kind of stuff for our beach days. We appreciate her very, very much. And Jason waited on us over at Cafe Castillo. He was super amazing. And then over in Valet, actually requesting the umbrellas, and Trish and Jason were amazing down there as well. So huge thank you. Super, super friendly staff. Another reason we love staying here. Another bonus feature that they have at Hotel Zamora is they actually have a pretty decent workout room. So we have one elliptical, we have 2 treadmills, we have a couple of machines, and then of course we have a few free weights. Just make sure you don't drop the weights, okay? Because this is located on the 3rd floor of Hotel Zamora. Most hotels usually have the weight rooms on the bottom level, because that way it's not as noisy for other guests that are staying on the upper levels. So just be aware of that. You know, when you use the weights, make sure you don't drop them. So one of the things I absolutely love about staying at Hotel Zamora is how close it is to the beach. So if you look over here, I'm actually gonna stand up, but if you look over here behind me, right behind that yellow building and that white building that's where Hotel Zamora is. And this path right over here to the right is actually the private pathway to the beach. And it takes literally like, I wanna say like 5-10 minutes to walk, maybe even less. It's really, really fast. And then if you come over this way, you can actually see that the beach is right over here. And you can see that I actually have a nice little bed over here and a canopy. The reason why I love Hotel Zamora so much is not just how close it is to the beach access, okay? But you can actually go to valet and just say, hey, I want to rent a chair and an umbrella today, and then they put it on the beach for you. So you don't have to do anything. They will just put the beach stuff on here for you. I believe the regular chairs are $10 for half a day. The long beds are $15 for half a day. The umbrella is $10 for half a day. You gotta make sure you get there early in the morning around 8 or 9 a.m. because they have a limited supply. But if you get there, you can reserve it for half a day in the morning or afternoon. 3 hours is 3 to 4 hours is probably good for you so you don't bake in the Florida sun. But here's the other really cool thing. If you are actually looking around us, you can see the Don Caesar right over there, the pink building over there, and then over on the opposite side you can actually see the Tradewinds Resort as well. And you can see these are some major beach resorts on St. Pete, but the thing is there's a bunch of chairs and stuff by those resorts, but look around us, there's like nobody. It's like you have your own private beach. So definitely one of the reasons why I love staying at Hotel Zamora. Now, of course, Laura and I and all the other genies at Magic Land Vacations would absolutely love to grant your Disney and Universal destination vacation wishes. If you go to our website, you can actually check out all the destinations that we do right over here. You can also schedule a complimentary consultation with one of our amazing Disney and Universal travel planning experts. And Laura, why don't you tell them how can they sign up for one of our amazing giveaways?
You join our VIP Facebook group, you can join there. You can also go to our website and click on the link to our 10 favorite hacks and tricks for Disney and Universal, and you can also go there.
Yes, absolutely. And don't forget, we have some more amazing Disney and Universal video content for you to watch as well. We have a video right here and a video right here. And make sure you check the links in the description where you can figure out where to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.